Is it worth buying a pre-built? What PC do I buy? Is it going to be expensive? Is it worth building your own PC? What part should I buy? These are the thoughts you might have come across when thinking of a gaming computer. You might be switching from console to PC, or looking for an upgrade such as a laptop to a desktop. And I sure don't recommend a laptop for gaming. For dear God, don't. It's not worth it. Unless you really want to. But you shouldn't. Trust me. You'll save your money for a desktop if you just want it for gaming. And pre-built PCs, what do they offer you? What you can get when you buy a pre-built. When you're not getting your money's worth, that's for sure. It's already built, obviously. There's always warranty if the PC doesn't work. If you boot it up, doesn't work, you just return it or exchange it for another one. Or if your PC goes bad, you just return it and get another one, or you get your money's back. You have customer support to help you on the way. Sometimes they're made with cheap components, especially the power supply. You might get a gray unit or non-rated 80 plus units. When you read the specs, they might look nice, but when you open it up, you realize that they went with the not so pretty or the cheapest option for those specs, such as a smaller card. Like, so you get a GTX 1050 instead of a normal size card, you get the cheaper one, like the cheaper, smaller cards with only one fan. Trust me, you deserve better. You're better than your pre-built PC. Build your own. You configure it to your needs. Some people might need more RAM over GPU, or more CPU than GPU power. You're able to change it to your needs. Many say you can't afford it. Look. Settle on a budget that you're okay spending on a computer. Choose parts that are best for the budgets. There are always forums, PC Part Picker. There's also OfferUp, eBay, and LetGo. You can find sweet deals on there. You just have to look. You might even have some money left over for aesthetics, such as RGB strips. Or you can put those extra cash on better PC components, such as, let's say you bought 4 GB of RAM. That's like the bare minimum for PC gaming. Then get that second stick, baby. Just slap that puppy in there. There, you got 8 GB RAM, and you're taking advantage of the dual channel. My point is, if you're going on a strict budget, there's always used parts. You'll get better for your money. You get more for your money. Better words. A tip that I have when buying used parts: better check the reviews. Make sure they're not scams. Or make sure they work. Make sure that the seller has a good reputation. And also, like things like Amazon. If you buy your parts on Amazon, but those are not really used. They do have used options on there. You can probably return them if they don't work. eBay also has a return policy if it doesn't work. OfferUp and LetGo, you're kind of taking a little gamble, you know. If they sell you a broken part, then it's gonna be broken. So make sure you have good reviews and check if the part looks in its good shape. You think it's probably gonna work. If you're telling yourself you're afraid of breaking it, trust me, you're not gonna break it. Well, you can, but you're probably not. I've dropped my hard drives, GPUs, power supplies, and dropped a processor into an Intel pin doohickey socket. You know those sockets with a bunch of pins? I dropped my CPU in there. Luckily, I bent one pin. No, wanna know how I fixed it? I got a little needle, moved it, and there, problem solved. And I put it back. I put that CPU in there, put it up, and guess what? It worked. And J2Sense even trashed on mistreated his PC components.
Treat everything like it's made of delicate glass, and then with that, I would agree. Treat it as delicately as you can.
On one of his videos. And I'm telling you not to treat your parts. I'm not telling you not to treat your parts with care, okay? Treat your parts with okay. Don't be slapping them all around, touching your carpet, and like rubbing around and touching your components. Take care of them. because they cost money. Don't just throw them all around and reckless. Also, there's always build guides. I'm even working on one for YouTube. The internet is your friend. If your computer still doesn't boot, computers sometimes, the internet is your friend. There's forums, there's places you can ask questions, and it'll help you. Okay, so don't think you're on your own on this. I also have asked questions on forums, such as when a computer doesn't want to boot. If your computer still doesn't want to boot, computers sometimes give error codes, such as Q codes or beep code or error codes in general. But my motherboard personally has a QR code, or not QR code, a Q code, which on the top right has like the little numbers and letters, which lets me know what's that problem. Pay attention to those. If your motherboard or your PC parts offer it. If it doesn't, then go on forums and look for an answer. Try to figure out the code. Yeah, just search it up on the forums, on the instruction manuals, and you figure it out on your own. And you'll find your answer, okay? If the component still doesn't work, try your best to troubleshoot it or diagnose it on your own. Just forums again. If you have like an extra PC component in your house, as you're upgrading from another pre-built, or you have any other component that will probably go into your PC, or you're really positive of what's wrong with your computer, that looks kind of off to you. Or let's say your motherboard, your GPU is acting up. Unplug it, boot up your computer without the GPU. If it fixes the issues, then probably your GPU. If your RAM one of the RAM sticks are not working, switch out one RAM. No, take out one RAM, leave one RAM. If that fixes the issue, then you have a broken RAM. If it doesn't, then switch out. Then you put the other one in there and take out the other one. There's a lot of ways you can troubleshoot a PC. And once you figure out what's that component it's not working, you RMA it in the first 30 days. I think the companies offer the first 30 days for returns on PC components, unless you bought warranty. Let's touch on eBay. Probably bought warranty maybe. Well, I have bought a pre-built. I have experience with pre-builts. BB903, iBuyPower. It failed on me on the first week. Put it up, had these artifacts and code 43. I couldn't game on it. It was covered by a Square trade. I think it was on Amazon or eBay, one of those sources. The worst experience ever. Okay, they took 5 months to fix it. No, I should think it was Amazon. It took their sweet time to reply to the email. I even knew what was the issue or had a clue about it. They claimed they fixed it and sent it back. On the first boot after repairs, it has the same problem. Sent it back again. And guess what? They just gave up on the issue and sent me my hard drives and my money. So now I got free hard drives and my money. And guess what? Later on, that hard drive died. So that hard drive could have been the issue. That could have been causing artifacts to show up on the screen, and which is why it died a few days later. And I'm such an idiot, did not notice when I plugged it into my new PC. As you see in my other video, top right, we'll put it that that hard drive. I didn't notice. Okay, I think that was the issue on my first pre-built computer. I was throwing out those artifacts. It was about to die, and then when I put it on my new PC, it died, which is why I didn't show the artifacts. So it was already dead. It was dead hard drive. It wasn't doing anything. And then I built my own computer and booted it up on the first try. So my final words are: build your own PC. It serves as a learning experience. You're not dependent on a company to fix your PC. You'll expand your knowledge. You'll learn more about your PC due to the time and research you put into it. If you still want to buy a pre-built, if you just really do, I'm going to recommend BLD from NZXT because it's the best right now in my opinion. I think you'll get more for your money. Thanks for watching this video. Hope to help. If you liked the video, smash the like button. If you dislike the video, then you know what to do. If you want to see more content about this, turn on the notification bell and subscribe to the channel for more videos on computer related or tech related. If you have any questions, comment down below. I'll do my best to reply to each and one of them, because I care about you guys, and thanks for watching.